Alright, for my application, there's 3 separate sections of rings. This bottom one will be your oil control ring, or your wave ring. This second one will be your mid ring, or your second compression ring. And this top one will be your top compression ring. All your rings are split, so for your oil control ring, you'll put your split in. Just flex it around like that. Then on the top and bottom of that wave ring, you'll have these 2 extremely thin rings that don't need to be gapped or anything. They just go on the top and bottom of that wave ring. And I like to offset everything, so where I've got that one lined up with my pin, I'll line this one up with my side skirt. And then where I lined that bottom one up with my side skirt, I'll line the other one up with the other side. Put that one on top. Now for my second ring, I've got a little tip here, or a little pinpoint that always faces towards the top. Some rings will also have top specified on them, or potentially an arrow. I forget which is which, but one of these rings, either the mid ring or the top ring, is actually cast, and so you don't want to twist that on. You want to use a ring tool and put it on. So now where I've got this gap lined up with that pin, I'm going to spin it around and put this gap lined up with my opposite side. Okay, just like that. And then again for the top ring, I'll flip to the other side. This one is completely square, so it's non-directional. I'll just put that one right on top. There's a learning curve.
Yeah, I'm falling. Can you hear me calling for you? Yeah, I'm falling. I'ma keep on falling.